Hello, I'm just going to show you the subject portal for geography. Hope everyone's okay. What we've been working on is the modules for our groups. So, for example, year 7, we've been looking at a unit of work on China. And we've been setting topics for students to learn about. So my year 7s have been looking at schools in China. And we've got tasks for them to do. Some of them are links to clips. Some of them are links to documents, for instance. What we have found is that if students are working on a tablet, Word doesn't work very well for them on that. So we've been making sure the documents we upload are PDFs, like this one about the football in China. With year 10, we've been carrying on with our modules. So they're just moving on to look at coasts. And we've gone through the GCSE spec and identified the key areas to look at. Each page for year 10 starts with a learning checklist uploaded there, and then they have useful revision resources. Again, these have been put on as PDFs. Looks like my frog's decided to freeze at the moment. There we go. So they've got a part of a revision guide that we've put together for them to use as well. And then each one, the page, so my year 10s have just been looking at the impact of climate. They started that today. Each one has got at the end an exam question for them to upload their response to. So that's the piece of work that we will be looking at, and they can submit through the mark book. So if I just move myself out the way. Here we go. So each member of the department has set up mark books for their groups. So here's my year 10 geography group. And we can see who's been looking at work, who's submitted work. And we've also started to look at providing feedback for the work. So if we look at this one here, the document appears here, but you click on feedback over there. And you can write on here using the paintbrush. And then you can also add these stickers, drag them here, and it will show you where you've got, so the ticks, and then also some EBIs as well, and a comment. Gemma's opened hers and moved all her stickers, it seems. But it's her piece of work, so she can do what she likes with it. Okay, so that's about where we're up to. It's been a learning curve, but we're getting there, I think. Okay, so bye.